Intermittent rainfall is being recorded throughout Mumbai since morning, and now the IMD has predicted a high tide of 4.75 meters in the sea, because of which people have now been declared to empty these places. At present, we are here at the Gateway of India, and along with it at places like Churchgate, Marine Drive and Nariman Point, there is heavy rainfall that has been recorded since morning. And along with the rain, the city is now facing a high tide warning, prompting authorities to take these precautionary measures to ensure public safety. At present, if you see, there's a high tide in the sea that is taking place, because the water levels in the sea here is not usually being seen, and because it's a high tide of more than 4.5 meters, it can easily cross the wall, because of which these places have been emptied, and authorities have appealed to the public to avoid visiting beaches and coastal areas until the situation normalizes. Now, these lifeguards have been deployed along the coast, and police personnel are stationed to ensure safety and restrict access to potentially dangerous zones. And because Gateway of India was the place from where, through the sea route, people are often seen traveling to areas like Elephanta Caves as well as Alibag through boats, speed boats. For now, these services have been completely halted, and as you see, because of heavy rainfall, the entire tourists who come here on a large scale have been asked to leave from this very place since morning. More than 110 mm of rainfall has been recorded in this area, which is the Mumbai city area, and because of which people have been asked to be cautious, along with Mumbai personnel being deployed to ensure that nobody crosses the barricading that has been done. And also because the high tide is at around 11:45, we'll see that for the next few hours the condition of this barricading remains unchanged. And also because it's the gateway and people across the world come to have a look at this archaeological site, now the barricading process is underway. Everybody has been asked to leave, and at the same time people have been advised not only to not go or come near this shore, but also they have been asked to stay away from areas like Marine Drive, for the Girgaon Chowpatty, or also speaking about the Mumbai suburban region, to places like the Juhu Beach, Aksa Beach, Mud Beach, which are prominent places for people to visit with their families and roam. And today being monsoon day, people would come out of their homes with their families to take and enjoy the weather. But because an orange alert has been declared, people have been asked to stay within their homes and not leave their home and offices unless and until it's very important. And also people have been appealed to take all the precautionary measures for themselves, and also to ensure that their safety comes first, and then somebody else's. And a heavy rainfall could be seen lashing the city, along with several roads being completely waterlogged. The BMC, though, is closely monitoring the situation, and now here near the sea, because it's a high tide, the Coast Guard as well as the other authorities are ensuring that people are protected at any cost, and there is no untoward incident that has been reported. However, orange alert for Mumbai for the next 4 days, because of which we see that precautionary measures will continue to be taken by the authorities.